If you love tech, don't forget to hit subscribe button and turn on notification.
Hey, what's going on, guys? So today is the big day. Today Apple released the iOS update for a bunch of phones, including the older mobile phones. As you can see that Apple released iOS 9.3.6 and 10.3.4 update for older phones. That's mean that you can now install iOS 9.3.6 in your iPhone 4S and the iOS 10.3.4 in the iPhone 5. So this update will only fix some issues of GPS in older mobile phones, and in other mobile phones which receives update normally, they will get iOS 12.4 update. And you can see that iOS 12.4 is available. And if we see what it gave features, and you can see that it gave us ability to easily migrate from older iPhone to new iPhone. And it is written there, introduce the ability to wirelessly transfer data and migrate directly from an old iPhone to a new. That's mean that it is easily as before to transfer from older iPhone to new iPhone. And then other improvement and fixes that, as if you know that FaceTime was blocked in Pakistan before, and but now with iOS 12.4 it is now available in Pakistan. You can see that enables FaceTime and video audio calling for iPhone and iPads device sold in Pakistan. So all mobile phones which are sold in Pakistan will have officially FaceTime installed in this phone. And it also provides the features of include a security fix for the walkie-talkie on app on Apple Watch and re-enables walkie-talkie. So it will fix issues on Apple Watch app of walkie-talkie. And the memory of this iOS 12.4 software on iPhone 7 was almost 354 MB. So if you want to install this on your iPhone, just go in software update and install this. And you can also install on your older mobile phones and iPad models on your iPhone 4S and iPhone 5. And if you already have jailbreaked your iPhone, then just don't need to install this software on your older mobile phones. Just keep on jailbroken mobile phone. And that's all about in this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Thanks.